tinanong ng impeachment court yung House of Representatives as to their stand whether or not itong 28th Congress House of Representatives is willing to be bound by the actions of their predecessors, yung House of Representatives ng 19th Congress. Are they willing to continue, or are they willing to be to bind themselves to whatever actions that were took place during the previous Congress? You can expect me also to raise the same question sa floor once the 20th Congress convenes. Itatanong ko rin na tinanong natin yung House of Representatives. Why not ask ourselves also? Diba? Pareho lang naman. Pareho lang. So, tanongin rin natin yung Senate of the 28th Congress kung are they willing to be bound by the actions of the previous previous Senate of the 19th Congress.
So, ibig